Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket.
Hi guys, morning. Today is April 5, 2026 at sa oras lang? 11:39. It's Sunday today. It's Easter Sunday today here. And magsisimba kami dun sa St. Michael's sa Tiffin Avenue. Ellie, you wear na your shoes? Ate. Tapos, mag-egg hunting kami today. After the church, doon din. Yung, ang mag-facilitate is the St. Michael Church din. Here.
I like need to wear.
Hala, your water. Sisik pa kami, guys. Ang lamig. Turn off the light. Grabe. Gloomy today, guys. Napaka-gloomy ng weather. Ayan, tapos after namin magsimba, 12 noon mass yung
Turn left
namin.
onto
Tapos,
Taden Avenue.
pagka 1 p.m. magpa-facilitate ng egg hunting ang St. Michael Church. So, doon na
At the
lang
stop
kami.
sign,
Hindi na
turn
namin-
right onto
hindi na
West
kami
Sandusky
uuwi para
Street.
makapag-attend si Ellie. Ellie, did you bring your bag? Alright, that's good. Oh, there's a lot of white one too.
Multiple railroad crossings ahead.
Kami, ayun, sarap ng tulog namin, guys. Si Ellie late na natulog kagabi. Di ba, nak, no? Late na ka nag-sleep gabi, inak. Napakaganda ng morning sky ngayon, guys, kasi ang dami ng mga naglalabasan ng mga dahon. Ayan. Green na, very green na, and pink and white na yung surroundings namin dito. Tingnan nyo. Ayan, ang ganda. Yeah. Yeah, there's a pink one too. Hala, makalit lang man siya. So, start na ng klase ni Ellie. So, kung mag-start na si Ellie ng klase tomorrow, kailangan na niya matulog ng maaga. Right, Ellie? Tulog ng maaga kasi maagang gigising kinabukasan. Although 8 a.m. naman yung pasok niya, kaya lang ang tagal niyang kumilos. Elijah. Ikulalia means gisuon mo akong istorya. Ayo, anak, pagpangutanon gani ka mo tubag ka. Okay?
Railroad crossing ahead.
Napaka-gloomy na ng panahon. Ito na yung last activity nila para sa Easter week. Bukas, duty ko na naman bukas. Duty ko bukas. Tapos, April 6, diba? Balik ako, April 14 and 15. Diba? Nahaba ng off ko. Yeah, there's a pink one here too. Here. Wow. Ayan. Grabe, napakabilis lumabas ng dahon nila. Hindi talaga namamatay yung mga puno. Kahit gaano kalamig. Yan yung napapansin ko dito. Nice ang white nak, no? Yeah, nice ang white.
At the next light, turn left.
Tak sulo. Ako nakong glasses. Dapat.
Pag mga ganyan, mga puno. Kaya naisipan namin igala siya sa sa mga
At the light,
sa
turn
place
left
na may
onto Bright
maraming
Road.
mga ganitong puno na may dahon na puti, kasi mas nag-e-enjoy siya, mas na-appreciate niya yung ganyan. Kaya lang di pa namin
There's a white.
kabisado kung saan dito sa Finlay.
In
yung
1
maraming
mile,
mga
turn
puno.
left into the
Or
parking
sa
lot.
kahit man lang sa mga kalapit na city dito sa Ohio. Dito sa amin sa
There's a
Finlay.
white one.
Yeah. Hura lang siya ka ng mga common na dirinak nga. Hura siya mga puno lang na para siyang mga puno lang na mga common like sa amin like mangga, ganyan na kahit saan-saan na lang tumutubo. Ganon dito. Pero kami naninibago kami kasi first time namin makita to. Na-amaze talaga kami.
There's
Isa lang kasi yung nakita namin pink na may puno doon sa amin, doon sa Cagayan nung nagbibisita iglesia kami nung pumunta kami sa Divine Mercy talaga doon sa Cagayan de Oro. Yun ay mga 8 hours drive lang, no?
10.
8 to 10 hours drive from galing sa amin sa Padada hanggang sa Cagayan de Oro. Tapos si Ecrio lang yung nagda-drive. Mga 5 a.m. kaming umalis ng bahay. Nakaabot kami dun mga afternoon na. Then nagpunta
Go past this
yun yung
light,
first
then
time
turn
namin
left into the
nakapag-picture
parking lot.
ng pink na dahon doon sa Cagayan de Oro sa Divine Mercy. Then
a green one flower.
yeah. Nag-overnight kami sa Bukidnon sa ano ang pangalan
Turn
nila?
left.
Na resort. Dahilayan Resort. Doon kami nag-overnight. Tapos nagra-rides kami. Init gani. Nag-rides kami.
For your destination.
Dito na kami, guys. Napakaraming sasakyan today. Hanggang doon may nagpa-park. Tapos dito din may nagpa-park. Kasi may event sila ngayon. Active kasi ang community dito sa mga family events. Kahit na alam na nilang
Dali na to.
oh, so grabe ang lamig. Bring your bag. Oh, faster ate. Dami na niya dinadala. Ellie, it's so cold now. Let's go. Let's run. Run. Kasi ang lamig. Let's run.
The cold is coming.
Yeah.
The cold is
Oh, it's so windy here. Guys, ang ganda ng mga flowers, guys. Ayun. Tignan nyo. So ganda.
There's the purple
Tulips.
one.
There's also a purple one. Here. Wow. So windy. Ito, ganito yung kalamig. Let me bring your bag, Ellie. I will help you bring your bag.
There's a white flower. A white flower.
Then you must
Mas maganda.
just one hand.
Ano? Mother, yan.
Pakainin ko ang ganda. Baka. Yeah. Ito kong red lang.
Where's our seats? Where's our seat? Flowers.
Wow, there's a lot of flowers there.
Pink.
Guys, tapos na kaming magsimba. Yeah, God bless you.
Father, the Son, Savior.
Tapos na kaming magsimba, guys.
Paano hindi siguro na humanas ba?
Manang.
Ilang tao lang ito nagpapalo sa akin.
Yes, Ellie? We're going. Loy, mana. No more na.
Mommy.
Mana. Wala na nila gi-announce. Wala na yata. Buka ni. Oh, tugnawa, oy. Grabe. Ngani gito ka bugnaw ba katong gikanta ko anlay ma. Mas bugnaw to.
Ano to eh? Nag-snow naman to.
Nagisidok si Ellie. Ellie has hiccups. Are you cold, ate? Me too. Ang gani, may pas nanay. Oh, nanay. Oh, nanay. May hangin na, sulod na. Oh, grabe. Oh. Gisidok. Grabe guys, ang lamig ng hangin sa labas. Dan? Alright, that's it. Hangin. Oh my goodness. Nawa ko. Let's go. Let's run, Ellie, to the entrance. Yeah, because it's so cold. Oh no. Faster! Yeah, the cold is coming. Careful ha, madagma ka. Let's run, Ellie! Oh no! The cold is coming! Oh! Let's go! Oh, sorry. We're here now. Get a cart. Okay. Here. You just walk. Ala, aray. Oh. Hi. Closed yung Aldi, guys, nung pumunta kami, kaya dito na lang kami sa Tiffin na Walmart. Sige, pa dito lang. Bread na Ellie. Where's your bread, Ellie? Grabe. Ang paayo gihapon. Feel gid ako ang kabog na. Ayan, excited sa Ellie sa bread niya. Katong gagmay, katong mini. Nandili pagod ate.
Libog siya.
Nandili pagod. Kana, this one, white. Oh,
All
sa 8
butter?
na ang iyang
Cookie.
What this?
Cookie.
all
All
butter.
Cookies.
Yan. Ay, mangita taguan.
Cookies?
Pa. Ano, 12 po. Ginalalo nila ang mga kuwan.
8 ning kay Ellie.
Ayun na yun.
Gusto daw siya cookies. You want cookies? Okay, get one. Wait lang, check the expiry. It's 10. This one, oh, May 2.
Pipili. Dali pa.
Ay, May 9. There's May 9. Ilisin na. Let's go. May ka cookies na. Dili ka ganahan, ani na.
Tampis na muna eh.
Dara, na isa, oh. Kaysa sa cookies, magtagak-tagak. Oh, blueberry.
Ito na ang sugar. Oh.
This one, sugar ba ni? Ani, dili ni siya sugar lang.
Ha?
No, dili no.
Good lang.
Ay lang anak na ay sugar. Ah, nasa pika snack.
Nasa pika.
Strawberry, this one, strawberry.
I like this, mommy.
Okay, you want strawberry?
I want.
Let's check the date of expiry. This one, which one you choose? Which one?
Strawberry.
Okay. Ibalik to imong cookies. Ibalik yung cookies. Put it back.
Okay.
Careful. Check mo lang. Layo kayo lang.
Dili? Oh, we have to. Mushroom ta?
1.76.
Potato
Ang puti. Mara oh, white.
Wait, nandiyan na. Ay, Mrs. Nickler.
Hi, Mrs. Brickner. You say good morning, Mrs. Brickner. Hi.
Let me see this bag. What is
Oh.
this? What
You
is
look at
this?
Mrs.
Turn it
Brickner
up.
in the eye every
What
time you
is
talk.
that? Is
It's
it
a
your bag?
bag.
What's inside of it? Is Peppa in there?
Look at Mrs. Brickner every time you talk.
Oh,
It's
I
snack.
like it. Can I eat it? No?
Hi.
I'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow,
Okay.
Mrs. Brickner.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
See you tomorrow.
Sister. You saw Mrs. Brickner? Atoyo. Sige. You saw Mrs. Brickner? Oh, there's nice bag put there, oh. Mas daghan diri. Rainbow bag.
Siyempre, mga sasabi.
Oh. No. Boss, nakaagit na sa chili sauce na. Chili sauce, nakaagi na tag chili sauce. Baking naman. Vinegar, olive oil. Si Ellie, nakita niya si Mrs. Brickner. Ala.
Simutong kangit-ngit.
Coconut oil. Chicken bouquillion. Mas sabrosa. Harina na. Oh. Are you happy? Oh, see, Mrs. Brickner said, see you tomorrow. You have class tomorrow. Ate, ha? Nanapot si Mrs. Brickner dito. Miyagi. Mana? Nakalimut ako sa naong ni Mrs. Brickner. Darao kay Ellie gahapon. 7.
Sabay pa sila.
Sabay di ay.
Mommy,
May isa dara. 11, 1. Ay, dili gamay ako. Wala may gamay na. Here?
here, mommy.
Ay, Ate Diana! Ay, akala ko. Ba't di ka sumunod? Hindi. Alam kanina kasi, galing lang kami nagsimba.
Oo nga, nagsimba din kami. Ano
Tag
oras kaya?
12.
Hindi, 10. Oo.
Tapos, kaka-text lang nila na ganun. Alanganin na.
Oo.
Mga 2 hours ang
Si
biyahe
ano nga,
doon.
si Manilyn, tumitingin dito sa TJ Maxx, sarado pala. So baka nandiyan pa siya, hindi ko alam.
Galing kami sa sa Aldi, pero closed.
Saan?
Sa Aldi, yung mura na grocery store dito.
Ah, mura ba yun?
Oo, mas mura doon kaysa dito.
Tingnan ko yung lagi. Ano kaya yan? Convenience store ba yan?
Oo, parang
Parang
ganito
ano?
rin na grocery store. Marami silang meat products doon, mga bago.
Talaga?
Oo, mas maganda doon. Doon kami nag-grocery kasi mas mura.
Sige, I'll keep that in mind.
Duty ka bukas, ate?
Hindi, sa Tuesday pa.
Ah.
Ikaw, duty ka?
Oo, bukas.
Ah, okay. Sige.
Sige, mamaya, te. Ikaw din.
Ano, artista sa
Ah. You say hi, doktora. Bless, bless.
Corners ako ni Mami. Hi, very good. Oo.
Ayan, alam mo,
Bili niya ako $3. Oh.
Saan ka nakabili niyan? Dito lang. Nakabili din si ate lang, oh.
Oh.
Ganda.
$3. Dito, oh, grabe.
Ang galing. Ikaw lang mag-isa?
Hindi yung asawa ko bumili ng printer.
Ah,
Kasi mga kailangan pa kaming lakarin na
mga documents.
sa pag-college ni Bonso.
Ah, wow.
So, hindi na sila.
Sa unahan yan.
Ganda ang papel.
Saan kayo nakakuha ng apartment, ate?
Ano, sa 13 family lipat eh.
Pero
Kita
as of
13.
now,
Sa, parang Kilamane, 5 minutes away. Same landlord pala kami. Kaso nakaalis lang last week nung tenant. Inaayos
piniprepare
pa
ka
nila.
na. Magkano monthly nyo doon?
1,050. Pero kasi may aso, additional $50.
Bahay siya, ganun din kalaki? Pareki
ten
naman
town.
nila.
Parang ang laki nga ng bahay, pero 3 pala yun.
Ang bedroom nila.
Oo.
Mm.
Hindi, 3 partition yung bahay.
Oh,
Isang malaking bahay, hindi mo alam.
parang duplex
wala.
siya.
Oo, pero hindi siya halata. Parang isang bahay lang siya. Pero may 3 doors.
Talaga?
Oo, inaayos pa eh. So,
Ah.
mga next week. Next week. Ang ganda.
Oo, Wrangler. 5 na lang.
Ano? Good.
Lang.
Wrangler.
Wrangler. Natin.
5 na lang.
Pang dagdag sa balikbayan box.
Ganon. Bongga.
Nag-iipon-ipon kami pa pambigay sa mga
Oo,
kapamag-anak doon.
mas small ka siya sa'yo.
Oo, may
Oo, ito $3. Kalain.
George. Ang ganda.
Ayun, best time bumili ng panlamig.
Oo.
Oo.
Kasi mura lang. Ayan guys, may nabili kami ng mga clearance sale na Wrangler ito. Si Ellie din na ako. Ano yan? Socks lang. Sneaker? Kit?
For 4553 in Missouri, celebrating 36 years. Dave, over to you. Moving on to Oklahoma, that's where Lartine celebrating 26 years at Walmart 129. Heather, way to go up in Michigan. Santa Claus 6652 celebrating 21 years. And wrapping it up in Arizona, that's where Rawl is celebrating 21 years at DC 713. BCA, these great associates, as always, be sure to wish them a happy anniversary this month. Don't forget to follow us for more.
Wala pa sila na clearance. Let's go ate. Yan, nabili kami mga Wrangler guys. 5 lang. Ito. Nasa tayo mong napili lang Wrangler na Tag 3 lang.
Na lang. Kasi ito.
cart na, be.
Ano niya?
Morning.
Ayan. Nala. Video mo sa mga kita niya. Ellie, excuse.
Your bread and cookie there. Hindi kang boots.
Wala.
Medium man eh.
Medyo na?
Ay, small. Di ba wala pa natin ganina?
Wala, muna ko ah. Dahil, luwa mo kanina, double. Wala, may isa kami nakabuo. Wala, o ka nakuha na, ako nakuha na. Dagit time. Wala, lagi. Kinirim ko, wala pa rin lang. Wala ka nakuha na, wala naman pagwilain, anak.
Naka sa pikas. Dara oy, gisabay na ko.
Sige.
Okay. Sa $1 lang ta magbaya to na. $3. Purato na ilang balay, 1,050 lang. Additional lang sila 50 sa pet nila.
Landlord.
Private landlord niya, tulog ya sila.
Gas ka dito.
Okay, same na doon sila landlord. Silingan na silang manilin.
Gas na. Hassle ka na guys. Wala pa dyan sila higa.
Have a good day too.
Wala pa dyan sila higa.
Ate, diri ka dapit na.
Kulang na ba? Kulang na. Wala
Retired yata ng landlord ni Manili niya. Nagapalit, naga-invest og mga balay. Nak, gunit ka sa card ha, kay na yung sakyanan. Siguro kay... Ellie, gunit ka sa card.
Sa kanila nito wala.
Ano ka dapit lang?
Lahat.
1-1 ilaha, di ba?
Ito
3 bedrooms na daw ilaha. Woo! Grabe. Tara. Ellie, inside na the car. Sundon sana ko siya lang. Sige na.
Tanggalan dito sa pwede. May space.
Dara o kay boot. Dara ka boot. Pareha mo black. Dara kay boots. Oh, gikabay na ko kang Kuya Roman.
Kasi dito siya lang.
Ay, thank you Lord. There's sunlight now. No, sorry lang. So lamig. Hi, so cold.
Going to.
We're going to... Ayan. Ellie. Ang lamig sa
We
ko.
are going to
Dollar
tree
tree. To buy?
to buy a
Wala na close parang.
Wala, ako to. Alam ko na. Sakyanan.
Pre ate.
father the Sarsiman. Papa God, palit
Dito.
whiskey.
Ligid kahulat ba? Keep
Yan,
us
lisod na nun
safe
siya.
and healthy.
Hindi siya makaulat.
Ulan ni inya lang ba? Dapat mo sayo-sayo tagawas mo practice. Lang? Di ba si maabtan tag-ulan?
Yes, sir.
Or ba si maunhan tani kuan?
Me,
Don't talk.
Yeah, I know.
Yes, your mouth is full of sins. I know what you're thinking.
Really? Kita man na kung baba ba sa katugnaw. Gordon. What's with Gordon? Chicken?
Gordon. Food service store.
Grocery store?
I don't know. It's Gordon.
Let's go, Gordon, Ellie. Ah! Nanapod.
let's go run.
Okay. Oh, run, run, run. Okay, go. So many. Ayan, sa Dollar Tree kami kasi si Ellie hahanap ng toy. Okay. Libog na.
Libog na.
Baby.
Yeah. Sige, yun mo. What's that? Jumbo Creativity Set? Sticker? Ah, hala. Coloring book.
Si sticker, ni mga packing paper towels. Libog na siya.
Ay, sige na siya.
Pwede ko naman, nakano ko sa pikas.
Napa sa pikas na.
Okay.
Just take your time, Ellie.
What's to the pikas?
Pikas, go.
What's here?
Sleeper pang sige doon.
What the? Napasok.
Ay, tintik ako. Tintik ko din eh.
Angry Bird.
Tintik ko sa iyo.
Sa pikas. Napa sa pikas.
City ba mga kaligyan?
Okay, just be careful not to touch the glass, ha? Nara day, mas mura day ang mga cards diri lang.
Yan, dapat ito dapat ang pakabalik.
Magani ka buo. Libog na siya.
Napa sa pikas.
Ano pa sa pikas?
Napa sa pikas.
Oh, sige, go. Go. Sige. Yeah. Wow. Unicorn. Cupcake.
Where's the cupcake?
Here, this is a cupcake. Is it a
not.
cupcake? Ah, it's not?
Unicorn,
A unicorn? Wow, pink unicorn. A fat one.
Dolly. Dolly. Cupcake. Nagpatapika.
Sige. Libog na siya. Sige.
I'm sensing foamy.
Mm.
Excuse.
Okay.
Did you ever buy tissues?
Ito lang ka ng 7 daan kay Elio.
Pakainain. Magkanoon na. Hindi mo alam kung ano nag-birthday. Marot. FOMO mo yung style. Fear of missing out.
A bunny.
Or a dog.
A cat.
Oops. Lalapli ko lang.
Get that one, ate. Please.
There's a dog.
There's a dolly.
Dolly.
A pink one. There's a pink one. I found the pink one.
Okay. I'm gonna grab it for you. You want this?
Just the side.
What that, Daddy?
What's
I don't
that?
know what's this?
Fatty frog.
A cupcake.
That's so dirty.
Dirty. It's already dirty.
It's dirty.
There's clean one over there.
Over there. There's a cleansy one.
Napasas.
Okay.
Which one?
Dugo yun sa tanan mga yan.
Hmm.
Stop na siguro dito kaya.
Ani. Kaya gipag 5 na lang nila.
Kaya nga ako ano? Umipili lang.
Wala na.
Wala na din yan. Ba't mo umilikod na?
Wala na yan.
Kada doon.
Lalalala, mahulog na.
Oops. Doon ang taas.
There's
Which one?
What?
What that a cupcake?
Yeah.
Mas din ka ni. Kaya lang ako.
Cleaner.
Okay.
Okay. Which one? You like that one? You'll buy that one?
I buy.
Promise?
Promise.
Okay. Bad.
Stop siguro.
Whistle. There's a lot of whistle here.
Where's the whistle? Where's it? Where's the whistle?
There.
What that, mommy?
It's for birthday party or any other party. Happy birthday.
What that a cover, mommy?
Yeah, that's for birthday.
Brownie.
Crown. It's for birthday. You don't have your birthday yet. Not yet.
What that
Poster.
looks like a book.
Yeah, it looks like a book. Okay. Baka maglutog pansit lang.
Ganda eh.
There's a card, mommy.
Yeah, it's a card. McDonald's card. Don't touch that one natin. Children's night, reminding us to yakisoba, spicy beef. I'm looking for the red one or favorite.
wala
Wala lang. Sorry mo double-sided lang.
Itong sa toothbrush na ito.
Ah,
What
Papilit-pilit.
that, mommy?
Oh,
A
it's
piece of cupcake.
yeah, a
and
piece of cupcake.
What that? What that, mommy? What that, mommy?
Oh, it's another flavors of cupcake. We have chocolate, strawberry,
This
buko
one.
pandan. Sabaw nilang.
Yeah, daw. Hindi nakabuta.
Ramen.
Basta lang instruction na lang. Ah, vegetarian o dapat?
Vegetarian gani. That's why it caught my attention. Ano yung sabaw-sabaw?
Kaso,
Dry.
wala mong gusto sa about sa picture. Picture mo ganda. Ah, soup. Ano din yung soup? Ah, soup din.
Oh, tara, kuha tayo isa. Chili. Okay, halang. Okay, we have noodles, Ate Ellie. Chili noodles here. Anong tani mo?
Budak.
Bulldog spicy.
150 lang po daw siya.
150 lang gani. Oh, beef man na, di man halang. Sige, kuha ka isa.
Just na, lang kita chili powder.
Shrimp. How about shrimp flavor?
150 lang good, no?
Gani, 1.50 lang guys. Api na to na ipadala sa balikbayan box. No? Lang no?
Namin dito.
Na-added to. Ah, dara!
Oh, ba? Isa lang ka buo.
Oh, mas mahal siya.
Oo, isa naman siya dapat.
Dito kay
Buta
7.
pila po to.
Nari siya lang, oh, isa.
Kaya na lang, tayo na to ni.
Mm.
Wala din, okay po.
Let's go.
Let's go to the.
Everybody's searching for the hero. Chicharon. Pork rings.
Kaya na price anak pila. Kaya na sa ubos. Barcode. Barcode. Kaya to. Sige pa.
Ano to lang? No? Ano pa isang? Salt and pepper. Chicharon po siya.
Barcode sa ubos. Ito, nagpaan. Kaya.
Let's
This
go.
one.
Ay, ikaw gulit na. Gusto na.
Mommy, look at me.
Okay.
Oh.
It's 5. Oh, look at this. It's $5, ate.
$5.
Let's go. Let's pay it now. So we can head home. How much is your toy?
$5.
Mm. Okay, siya sa katong kuan. 75 cents? Oh. No, just don't put it in. Oh, there's bunny headband there, Ate Ellie. Hi. Bunny headband. There. There's one here. You like one? Which one? This one?
This one.
Okay. Let's pay that here.
Total is $12.02.
Oh, how about this one? Your toy, Ellie. You forgot to scan it. Sorry.
Total is $17.38. 36, sorry. $17.36.
Card. I pay for a card.
Oh, try it again. It said it was declined.
It's declined.
Yeah. Try it again.
Sige, kunin mo.
Imuhang Huntington. Yan na lang kanina.
Yan naman ang Huntington ako.
Oh.
Credit card man.
Kaya diyan.
Kani credit card mo na. Kani ang debit.
Kanina. Sabi sa din.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Yeah, kapag.
A
We're all
quarter. I
set.
don't have here.
Have a nice holiday.
Thank you. You too. I don't have a quarter, Ate Ellie. I left my purse at home.
Itong green is credit card.
Credit card itong green.
Itong gray mo to ko.
Yay, are you happy with your new toy? Oh, it's so cold! Oh, Ate Ellie! Oh, so windy! Let's go! Buckle up! Ow! Aray! Kusog jud kay hangin ron dito sa kuan ba sa Kusog kay hangin ron dito sa BMV. Kusog kay hangin ron dito. Yan. Daddy, nag-buckle up na ka?
Done, mommy.
You have 3 headbands. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, mommy. Where's my bunny head?
Nanggahi akong mga panga. Sa kakusog sa hangin o sa katugnaw. Tugnaw ko yung hangin
Okay,
good.
okay. There's a movie of Oka. Okay, okay. Did you watch Oka the movie? Okay, okay. The one, it's a animal. It's a... Okay, that's home.
Starting route to home.
To home.
Proceed to Tiffin Avenue, then turn right.
Oka.
Holy Spirit, amen. Pray ate. Nice kita na ako ng triba. Kung nani dito sa ano, sa padada, daghan kay magpa-picturean eh.
Yes.
No? That one, the 3-1. Yeah, that one. This one too. Very common na lang nila.
Very common.
It's very common here. What's with major?
It's a grocery store.
Ah, yeah, also a grocery store.
It's like Aldi and Kroger.
Mm-hmm. Magpansit ka lang
Oh,
karon.
half lang ato ang pansit dun. Eh, nagagay ito half lang. Araw shrimp. Diba, shrimp dito.
Dapat ito shrimp.
Yep. Yes.
Atay sa manok.
Wala na. Gaya mo galing eh. Ganito na ba? Wala din na galing. Wala mas galutan ako. Ano ba? Ganito na.
At the next light, turn left.
Pauwi na kami, guys.
At the light, turn left onto Bright Road.
Bright Road.
What's the bright road?
Bright Road. Yeah, it's also a street. Name of a street.
It's a street of St. Michael's Church.
Bright Road.
Yep.
Sa poblasyon na St. Michael.
Dili. Katong gisimbahan na to. Dili tagikan.
In 1.3 miles, turn right onto East Sandusky Street.
Yeah, St. Michael Church. Yeah, sunny day. School hospital to ni diri.
Shirt niya ba yata kaya yan? Kapot na tayo sa venture dali. Police na. There's no competition with them.
Pink one. Pink tree alley on your right. Yeah. A baby pink. There's a pink too.
There's a baby purple.
Baby purple.
There's a pink one. There's no purple tree.
Yeah.
There's no purple.
No purple tree.
There's a white. There's no purple, mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Purple. There's no purple big tree.
Yes,
It's
ate.
not growing.
Yeah, it's not growing. There's a pink one ahead on your left.
There's a pink one.
Yeah.
There's a pink one. There's a pink one. Oh,
There too. Dark pink.
I think.
$3.49 dire ilang gas lang.
Nababa naman po ko ng gas.
3.39.
There's a green
May battery
flower.
nagbaba-baba ito sa
Mommy,
Pinas.
there's a green
Where?
flower here.
Right, left.
Right
Where? On your
Here.
right or your left?
at the left, mommy. This one, mommy.
No, it's not the left. It's the right. On your right. That's on your right.
It's the right.
That one. Yeah.
There's no.
See it.
There's a pink flower.
There's a pink flower too.
Dark pink.
Dark pink. It's a dark
There's a
pink.
dark
Ano sa color? Ano din no?
Green. Pero nagawas na.
green. There's a pink.
Green siya. Ramen. We're not going on there.
There's a green. Green.
227 na lang.
Ano din na tayo magawaan?
Ma.
Ano din tayo mapansit no? Luto na po.
What are we eating?
In 1 mile, turn left onto Totten Avenue.
Just sabaw?
Dali tayo po nun luto ang mapansit.
Dali ra gani.
Pansit na lang ta. Tabangan lang ko rin yung slice.
Pansit na lang ta. Napaman po yung MXL dito nabiling sa Bali. Painom sa tuna ko niya.
This is the
Para problema na luto naman na subak.
Yeah.
Itong simple lang ako.
There's a white
Lutoon.
one, a pink one.
Tapos sa lang.
There's a light pink.
Yeah. Wow! There's a nice tree here.
There's a,
Wow, ka nice.
there's a green.
Green one. There's one here too, Ellie.
pink one.
Pink on your right.
Right.
Right side here.
Green. Green.
Multiple railroad crossings ahead.
Na ngayong ikat ni ha. Yun yung mga views sa mga balay nga na yung mga dahon na pink.
Oh no, the purple tree. There's a baby white flower. Where's the purple tree?
I don't know, it's not there.
It's not growing, Mommy. It's not starting to grow.
Okay.
There's a green one in the back, mommy.
Is there?
It's there. There's a green one. There's a pink one.
Wow, there.
Oh no, the purple. The purple.
Turn left onto Totten Avenue, then take the first right.
Oh no, where's the purple tree?
Where's the purple tree?
Where's the purple tree, mommy?
Turn right, then the destination is on your left.
Turn right, then the destination is on your left.
The destination is on your left. Arrived at home.
Ate Ellie, don't make noises, okay? Because Brad is sleeping. He's here. I-adjust mo lang, di ba?
Wala ko lang just click na ko ano eh. Pwede ako baba. Kaya pa ako kailangan na visual. Di ba? Dapat
Ay, kailangan din mo na siya ibalhin para mo kung
Asa
ano
ang
siya.
baba?
Asa siya mo baba.
Asa siya nakasiga. Di siya mababa.
Kaya inigman yung variability na ako. Tanaon po rin ako nag-appeal. Balhin.
Ay, kailangan siya may mga line to availability. Kailangan din naman ito yung mga line. Naman ito yung
Sabi
tubo.
na ko, sabay silang doon mo baba.
Hindi, isa tayo mababa.
There's bird at Elio. Here, in front of me. In the other apartment. Upstairs. Yeah. Oh, you see that? Bye-bye na Ate Ellie. Say bye-bye. Thank you guys.
Bye-bye, guys.
Please subscribe.
Subscribe our channel.
God bless you guys. Bye.